The bluebird. I am the bird of God in his blue, divinely high and clear. I sing the notes of the sweet and the true, for the gods and the seraphs' ear. I rise like a fire from the mortal's earth into a griefless sky, and drop in the suffering soil of his birth fire seeds of ecstasy. My pinions soar beyond time and space into unfading light. I bring the bliss of the eternal's face and the boon of the spirit's sight. I measure the world with my ruby eyes. I have perched on wisdom's tree, thronged with the blossoms of paradise by the streams of eternity. Nothing is hid from my burning heart. My mind is shoreless and still. My song is rapture's mystic art, my flight immortal will.